Hi, how you doing everyone? So we're back once again with Chef June. Today we're making a very famous Filipino dish called chicken afritada. So I'll hand you over to the master. I'll do a little bit of English translation.
Mabuhay! Kumusta po? Ngayon po magluluto po tayo ng apritadang manok. Ito po ang ating mga sangkap. Meron po tayo rito manok. Yung manok ko po rito, sa serving pieces lang, mahigit na 1 kilo siya. Tapos, yung patatas natin, kailangan pagkatapos nyong ikat, ibabad nyo sa tubig para hindi siya mangitim. Kailangan din po natin dito ng tomato sauce, chicken sausage, green peas, bell pepper, carrots, maraming bawang kailangan po, toyo, patis, sibuyas, kailangan din natin ng asin, paminta, at mantika.
Okay, if you didn't get that, basically what we've got here is we've got like 1.2 size chicken here, whole chicken cut into nice pieces, skin on, bone is in. We've got some tomato sauce there, carrots, bell peppers, frozen green peas, chicken hot dogs, potatoes, and what June was saying earlier is that he's kept them in water just to stop them from, going brown. He'll drain that water off later. Onion, fish sauce, soy sauce, garlic, salt, pepper, and he's going to start it off with some oil. Let's go.
Mag-umpisa na po tayo. Mainit na po yung aking wok. Siyempre, unahin natin yung mantika. Lagyan na natin yung ating bawang. Hindi na natin papatagalin pa. I-add na rin po natin yung ating sibuyas. So, gisayin ko lang siya ng mga ilang segundo. Pagkatapos po, ilalagay na po natin kaagad yung manok. Lulutuin ko lang yung ating manok ng mga 5 minuto. Hayaan natin na mag-produce o lumabas yung mantika sa manok. Yun po ang bibigay ng lasa sa ating apritada.
Okay, so some oil went in, using sunflower oil. Then the garlic into a very hot oil, the onions, and then the chicken. Now, what June just said was that he wants to cook the chicken probably for about 5 minutes or so, but what he actually said was to release some of the oil from the chicken skin and the fat there. So we're going to cook on a fairly high heat for about 5 minutes.
Ayan po, okay na po yung ating chicken. Gagawin po natin, maglalagay na tayo ng tomato sauce. Titimplahan po natin siya ng patis at konting toyo. Ngayon, mag-a-add na po tayo ng tubig. Konti lamang. Kanina po hindi ko na-mention sa inyo sa ingredients yung tubig. Ngayon, lulutuin natin siya ng mga 5 minuto. Hayaan nating maluto yung ating manok. Tapos po, ilalagay na po natin yung mga vegetables.
Okay, so in went the tomato sauce, the soy sauce, and the patis, the fish sauce. Be careful with fish sauce because it is super, super salty. It's fantastic stuff, but really quite strong, so just be careful with it. And then Chef June added a little bit of water, which he said he forgot to mention at the beginning. He's useless, this guy. Useless. You're useless. Okay, we're going to cook this for now about 5 minutes or so.
Ayan po, medyo luto na yung ating manok. Ilalagay na po natin yung ating patatas. Ilalagay na rin natin yung ating carrots at ang chicken sausage. Haluin ko lang sandali. Ngayon maglalagay tayo ng paminta at asin. Lulutuin ko lamang po siya ng mga 5 hanggang 6 na minuto. Pagkatapos po nun, ilalagay na po natin yung panghuli na ating gulay. Yung ating bell pepper at ang green peas.
Okay, so in went the potatoes, the carrots, the chicken, sausage, salt and pepper, You cook that for about 5 or 6 minutes. What you're looking for here is to get those potatoes cooked. Now, Chef June has added chicken sausage, but you of course could add a pork sausage maybe as well. Up to you. And then the last thing he said is we've just got a couple more things to add there. The garden peas or the green peas and the bell peppers. Fantastic. That looks amazing.
Ayan po, luto na po yung ating patatas at ang ating carrots. Ganyan din ang manok. Pero make sure lang, checkin ko kung malambot na siya. So, luto na po siya. Ang gagawin natin, lalagyan na po natin yung ating green and red bell pepper at ang ating green peas. Lulutuin ko lang siya siguro ng mga 3 to 4 minutes. Tapos po, pwede na po siyang iserve.
Okie dokie. So, the final stage. In go the green peas and the bell peppers. 3 to 4 minutes. And this wonderful afritada is ready to serve.
Ito na po ang ating finished product ng napakasarap na apritadang manok. Muli, marami pong salamat sa panonood ng howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Mabuhay!
Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.
Mabuhay! Siguro po nare-recognize niyo yung boses na yon. Ako nga po pala si June, yung voice behind sa howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga followers, subscribers sa aming channel. Dati po naalala ko pa, sabi ng boss ko, maka 1 million views lang kami, hahalikan niya raw ako. Pero ngayon, nasa 100 million views na po kami, kaya napakasayo po namin ng aking boss dahil na-reach namin yung 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, sa aming mga viewers, sa mga nagko-comments, good or bad comments, okay lang po yun, natural lang po yun. Kaya sana po, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagsubaybay ninyo sa aming channel, sa howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Napakatagal na panahon na namin ginagawa ito. I think mga 7 years na. Pero continuous lang, consistency lang, ika nga. Kaya na-reach namin itong 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sana walang bibitaw at mabuhay.